Hello and welcome aboard this gorgeous 2012 MJM 36z Montcree. I'm Mike Porter with East Coast Yacht Sales. I've just spent the last hour going through this boat and she's absolutely gorgeous. She's been impeccably maintained by a full-time captain. She's got new Garmin electronics, a SeaKeeper 3 gyro stabilizer. She's equipped with the Volvo Penta D4 260 horse motors with joystick docking and a bow thruster. Just really well done boat, very highly upgraded. Soft goods are in excellent condition, but the kicker of the whole thing is just the impeccable maintenance. So every little screw is polished, it looks great. So let's go take a look at the boat. All right, so here we are on the dock here in beautiful Palm Beach, Florida. Taking a look at this absolutely gorgeous MJM 36z. This boat has been meticulously kept. It is in incredible condition, a lot of great upgrades. As you can see, she's kept on a lift. I've lowered her down a bit to make it easy to get on and off, but nice to have those drives living out of the water if you can. Nice big swim platform on all the 36s. Beautiful dark blue paint job with the gold Cove stripe and the white boot stripe. Classic MJM. And one of my favorite features, hopping on here and accessing the boat through these side access doors. It makes it so easy. You can see I've got it lined up so we can just step right from the dock into the boat. Of course, on a floating dock, you can do the same thing. Just really easy to get on and off the boat. You don't have to swing your leg over the gunnel. It's very civilized. Now, coming in here to the cockpit, of course, we have those doors, both port and starboard. Nice forward-facing bench seat here. And I've got the bimini stowed away, but this does go up over the top and provides you with some really nice shade here in the aft cockpit, increases your living space quite a bit. And you can run with that up. That's the great part about the sailboat style bimini, is you can run at cruising speed, wide open throttle with that. The two aft-facing seats there with storage beneath. All the soft goods look quite new. You can see the strata glass, and you probably can't, but you can see the reflection a little bit. There's not a scratch on it. It looks great. These aft canvas pieces are actually getting redone right now, so those will be brand new. Cushions are in great condition. Really kudos to the captain here. He's done an amazing job taking care of this boat. She's equipped with modern, newer Garmin touchscreen displays. We've got the Garmin Autopilot, tri-data display, new Volvo Penta engine readout. We've got the Volvo Joystick here. This is amazing. You can move the boat sideways with just this. The bow thruster's sort of a nice to have, and if it's really windy, definitely helpful. We've got our Jabsco searchlight, horn, nav, anchor lights. We do have the upgraded electric opening windshields here, so you can open those up all the way just with the touch of the button right here. I like to keep them just cracked a couple of inches, let some air in. We do have here on this display, this is our SeaKeeper display. As I mentioned in the intro, this boat is one of only two 36Zs that I'm aware of, there may be more, equipped with a SeaKeeper. Of course, our trim tabs, Volvo throttles, and then we've got our new Garmin VHF radio, Northern Lights generator with only 470 hours there, and then we have a matching display over here, same size screen as what's on the main Helm, so your co-pilot can keep track of things as well. Love the co-pilot helm station here on the 36. Really a lot of small features that add up. You have the helm station here, your own GPS chart plotter. You've got the nice, well, my stuff's in here right now, but this is a great little glove box is what I call it. Good storage for glasses and sunglasses. We've got a cup holder there. And then most importantly, we have the air conditioning duct right here. So the co-pilot's getting all the cold air or warm air with the reverse cycle. And then our 110 outlet and 12 volt for charging. Do have speakers on both sides as well. So great helm setup. These STID seats can rotate so they can, when you're not running the boat, you can have these turned around and be more of a social space here. with these aft curtains out, you get a look at just what a great entertaining boat this is, which is exactly what this has been used as. Put this table out here. Have sort of a dining area here in the pilot house. And that table can be relocated from its mount here back into the cockpit. So if you have a bunch of people on board, you can have that. This table can be relocated there, or what I like to do is to take the table from the V-berth down below and relocate that, and then you've got two tables up here for maximum entertaining, so you don't lose this table, you use both of those. Love this big ship's destroyer wheel here at the helm. And heading down below, first thing we have is our electrical panel, just right inside the companionway hatch here. Nice and easy to access. Clarion stereo. This boat is just so well kept, it's so clean. It was just like this when I got here. I didn't have to stage it or wipe anything up at all. LG flat screen TV. Got nice storage here. Of course, our galley to port. I love the fridge and freezer setup here on the 36s. So it's your freezer over here, and you can top load, or easy access to your drink fridge here. And there's our ice cube trays, which one of them is still in the package from new. Great above counter storage, everything easy to access. You'll see what I mean here with the sink, just bright and shiny, not a water spot on it. Microwave, and then really cool feature here is the coffee maker inset right into the wall. Single burner stove, and then some nice drawer storage below. One of my favorite features of the MJMs is, instead of having to open this to get to the wastebasket, we just have the simple push through. Very clever feature on the MJMs. Really like that. Sort of a nod to their attention to detail. We've got the 12 volt fans here, Bose speakers, reading lights, little inset bookcases. And then here's a look at the anchor locker. Super clean. Everything looking good. Our air conditioning display is right here with the 110 outlet right above it. Got some storage down below. The soles are in great condition. And heading in here to the head. Good storage. Again, everything really clean. And to port here, we've got this really nice hanging locker, which looks quite shallow, but it's actually got quite a bit of depth to it all the way back. Good storage there. Get a look at the bilge here. This is our air conditioning pump, the inlet, little AC strainer there. That's our depth sounder, the bilge pump, and then our gray water sump is right here. You can see pretty clean in there. Let's get a look at this SeaKeeper. Like I said, this is one of two that I'm aware of. This is a SeaKeeper 3. Really nice install. This was done after the fact. Moved the water heater, which is typically back there, up forward. So you lose a little bit of storage, but this 36 has so much storage already that it's no big deal. Got good storage drawers here on either side. And heading back aft, we'll take a look at our mechanical spaces here. So in this locker is the generator. We've got some tankage, and this is the best place to store your fenders. Put lines in there too. The owner puts the lines in that locker there. And open up our engine hatch here. So this is actually the preferred power on these 36s, the Volvo Penta D4 engines. Good to denote that it does not have the D3s in it. These boats were offered with both Yanmar and Volvo power packages. These D4 260s, higher horsepower and a bit more robust engine. Everything really clean. And when you first look at the boat, you think that the mechanical space will be a bit of a compromise, but it's actually quite easy to get it in and out of there. Let's walk up on the side deck here, check out the bow. So when you come up here, you've got great handholds. I've got this one right here, right up to the hardtop, and it's quite easy to walk down the side of the boat. I've got the stainless steel 33-pound stainless steel anchor, Muir windlass. There's our searchlight. Garmin HD enclosed array radar. We've got the satellite TV system on this, dual trumpet horn, a couple GPS mushrooms there. Just to give you a look at how beautiful everything is on the boat. Everything just nicely polished and in great condition. It's really hard to keep a boat looking like this in South Florida. The sun and the weather is so harsh. Just really phenomenal job. Thank you all for tagging along on this walkthrough tour of Moncrief. I'm Mike Porter with East Coast Yacht Sales. If you have any questions about this MJM 36Z, my email address and cell phone number are right below the video. Feel free to reach out to me directly. Thanks for watching.